everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this bag is from. See if I can get it out. Alright, this is from the Fansells company. And it was ordered on the 19th of September, and I received this yesterday. So, let's get started. We have pre-stamped cross-stitch. So the first one that we have is this one of Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. They have a little mason jar light. It's just too cute. I just thought it was cute. And it is a DIY cross-stitch. It was $5.54, and it is a 40 by 40. Hang on just a second. Getting a little chilly with the door open, so I had to close it. The wind was picking up. It's going to be one of those days. Alright, let me flip that over. But isn't that cute? I just love the colors. I just thought it was sweet. I really did. And it's not very big. Let's see what the paper pattern looks like. Now this pattern here is not very big to start out with. Damn. It's on that shiny paper. Hang on, we're just going to move this. So, it has 25 colors. It is a full cross stitch. It's a 40 by 40. This pattern and this key will match your canvas, so that's a good thing. It has no 310, no 823, no, it does have some 939, which they're using as the black, and 3865 for the white. But it has several shades of others in between it. So very nice. I mean, I can read it. You might want to blow it up. It's not too big, and it's not going to be too big at all. I mean, as far as the picture. But it might have a little confetti, but it does have some rivers of color. So it's a good thing I closed that door. I think it's going to rain. But look at those colors. Look at all the reds and oranges. And there's the black for his hat, which is a very dark, deep blue. And some white. So those lighter colors will be spread, and the blue. Maybe a green. Like a pale mint green right here. And you got another one. I can't tell it from gray. Maybe this is more gray than green. It does have the product number right here, and I'll show you that on the canvas. It did have that number on right here. So the 1684 is your product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So not too large at all. It is an 11 count. But just lovely colors to be offset with all the whites and grays and everything. And I didn't think it was too big. So let's take a look at the canvas. And it is a square. Nice big key here. It does have the colors here. Like I said, some do, some don't. Just depends. It does have 2 needles right there. Also the product, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Very nicely printed canvas. Let's see if we can measure it. It is 38 centimeters that way. And 40.5 that away. The actual picture size is 29 and a half, give or take a hair or there. 29.5, and this is just a little over 29.5, which makes it 11.5. So it's almost a 12 by 12 actual picture size. So not very big. And, you know, I thought maybe I would start this in November, maybe, or in this next week. Who knows? We'll see. But for an inexpensive kit, I think it's great. I really do. The canvas is a little bit stiff. It is not serged all the way around, but I haven't had any problem with them unraveling or anything. But I just love that little picture. So I might start on their eyes and their mouth and nose and see if it looks like an actual thing. Because if the face doesn't work, then there's no sense in doing the rest, right? Alright, now the next one. You know, I told you I ordered something twice. Well, here we are. This is something that I ordered twice. And it is Swan Lake. Yeah. It's a 60 by 80, and it was $17.21. And I will be giving this kit away in the giveaway. So look for it to come up at some point. It is ginormous. It has a nice big pattern. It also has instructions. Let me flip it. It's kind of wide this way. But this is a nice big, you know, paper pattern. It has 40 colors. It has 310. 822, not 823. No 939, no 3371, and it has, holy cow, 3866 for your white. But this does not give a really good interpretation of the colors. But very nice, big, easy to read pattern. It's awesome. It's just going to take time to work on. Just beautiful. Does come with 2 poof balls and 2, 4, 6 needles. Has a bobbin, and it has a threader, and it has a thimble in there. I guess they think you're going to need a lot. It is serged all the way around. And you just saw this last week, so I'm not going to take it out of here. I want to keep it all kind of pristine. There's lots of extra, what do you call them, tiny skeins, and then you have hanks of color as well. But just beautiful colors. Very muted and very quiet looking. Does that make sense? We'll take a look at the canvas, if we can. It's not going to open up all the way. I thought there was going to be 2 more needles on that end. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Very lovely. Very, very lovely. Just beautiful. Very well printed. It is kind of confettied in its parts. But I started over here on this side. Nice big key. The thread kind of goes through the numbers, the DMC numbers, but your paper pattern will match. So if you're looking for a specific color, it doesn't have the colors running down the side. So, you know, like some of them do, like the last one it did. But very nice. So we're going to keep this very well preserved. And I will put it in the giveaway because I already have my copy. Thank you. One of those is enough. I don't need 2 of everything, believe me. Not this way. Now they do have at Fansells diamond painting, cross stitch. They have crafts and tools for both of those. They have embroidery. They have silk embroidery and regular embroidery. They have paint by number, puzzles, wax sealing equipment, paper quilling. They also sell music boxes And they have a separate Joy Sunday section. They do custom in diamond painting, paint by number, and cross stitch. I don't know if they have tools and crafts for um, paint by number. Sometimes, they have the little fans or something that went along with that line. Or if it's just paint by number, big pictures, that kind of thing. And if there's any specials, I'll put them down in the description below. And also, if they have offer free shipping, I will put that in the description below. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you, Fansells, for sending me these beautiful kits. They can't help it. I can't remember what I ordered. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's fine. One of you guys is going to benefit because you're going to get that kit. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.